Good morning everyone, this is my vlog. Like and share and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning everyone. Nagtabas na si Inang ng kanyang mga gulay din eh. So ayan o, tinambak na dyan. Ang naglilinis kasi ng mga halaman dito ay yung may nanay ng landlord. Yan. Kaya kahapon nagtabas na siya. So ayan ang buwan. And then good morning everyone. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Time check for 08 everyone. And the weather for today is about 12. So today is Tuesday, 7th of October. Birthday ngayon ni Mr. God bless everyone. See you all later after 6 hours or 5 hours. And that's the weather update for today here in UK, everyone. So meron ng konting foggy. Meron ng konti fog dito. Kasi malamig. Papalamig na ng papalamig. So ayan lang everyone. Bye at the moment. Ayan. Good morning everyone. Last bite ng pandesal with peanut butter. Breakfast tayo. Kain. Uy, maputi na ulit yung braso ko. Maputi na ba?
Ay, maputi ng buhok mo.
Time check everyone, 9:10. Hindi lang ako nakalabas. Kasi maraming inasikaso. Dito, doon, sa that's it. I'll take 52. Confuse ako. 328. So, dito tayo magdaan sa yung shortcut. Shortcut na mahaba. Going to bus 52. So, I'm free today to make a video because no one is on me. They are gone. They have a lot of work and that's why, and they are early to go. So I'm just alone. And this is going to Royal Albert Hall. And pakita ko sa inyo itong bahay na to. Ito. This one. Yan, yung mataas na yan. Yan. Ay pinag-shootingan nung kay Rapunzel. Yung buhok niya na mahaba, dyan niya inilawit. So yan yun. Yan yung building na yan. So, galing na. Ganda. So, ayan. Pakita ko yung buo. Ay, hindi. Kasi malapit. Hindi ko mapicturan. Pipicturan ko sana. Pero ang ganda. Ang ganda niya kasi. Ayan o. Ayan. And I'm gonna show you also this part, this road. I don't want to pass by here because it's difficult na to pass this one. It's bako-bako. What do you mean by bako-bako? So, I don't know. In English, I don't know. Just, it's, for me, it's difficult. Yeah. But when I am young, at 50s, yeah, I can. But here, so I pass by here at the center and not here. So let us see how far or how the 52 is coming. Oh, nandun pa si Tatay Jerry, oh. Some problem to 52 maybe. Nandun pa siya, oh. Hindi pa nakakasakay. Ayun. Malabo kayo dyan, everyone. Early lunch, si nanay breakfast pa lang. Pandesal yan. Ako, lunch na ako. Kasi pupunta akong Kidburn. Ay, gagawin ako. Done early lunch, everyone. Big time check is 10:56 pa lang. So, I'm going to Kilburn. I'm gonna deposit the cash. And then, yung ano, kaya na, sandali lang naman ako to. Kaya, better magpakabusog na lang muna. Bago, ayan, bago magutom pa sa labas, mahal ang pagkain sa labas. Yun na yung kumain ka sa loob. Pwede. Everyone! Ayun si tatay, yun, nakabalik na ulit. Every morning nasa salubong ko yan eh. Walking. While yung kanyang caregiver nagsa-cellphone, nakasunod lang. Diba? Parang, you know, super boring talaga ng mahirap lahat. Kaya mahal ang bayad sa caregiver kasi huwag mo sabihin na wala namang ginagawa dahil nakaupo lang. May time na nakaupo lang, o katulad niyan. May time na nakasunod-sunod. Yeah, yan o. Pero ang ano dun, yung bang yung boring sa wala kang ginagawa. And then pag time na pupupo, magpa-dinner, magpakain, and then magpaligo, yung ganun. Ganda ng bulak ko dito. Yeah, ang dami. Grabe. Yun ang mahirap dun. Yan. Mini orchids. Silver orchids, pero hindi naman. Oh, wow. Orange flowers. Hindi naman yung rose. Ito gulay. Gulay na ano. Talong, yes. Dried na milleflowers. So, that's it everyone. See you doon sa sakayan ng let's go in the Deerhurst Bus stop of 9 to 8. Bye at the moment. See you later, everyone. Bye. Good afternoon, everyone. 15:33. Malamig. Mali ang suot ko. Malamig. See you after 2 train and 1 bus. 1 bus. 5 minutes walk. Malamig kasi. Muli yung proper jacket ko. Diba ang suot ko? Mahirap. See you later, everyone. First train here, everyone.
This station is Wilson Green.
Mind the gap between train and platform.
This is Finchley Road. This is the Metropolitan Line train. Okay, the next station is Baker Street.
Way out, everyone. Time check. 16:26. Alas 4:26 na, everyone. Pero maaga pa rin. So, ayun lang. Way out tayo. Pahinga ko na muna mata ko. Pauwi na sila. Alis na sila. Everyone. First train and going home, everyone. Finally, makatapos din. So, that's it. Pagoda.
Sa showbiz, wala akong atinibatid.
Ayan, nandito na ako sa bahay. Hindi na ako nag-vlog along the way. Kasi I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I feel sleepy, everyone. So, yan ang aking dinner. Good night, God bless, and I love you all. Kain tayo, everyone.